Hey everyone, today I'm gonna share the best strategies for dominating Block Blast. Stick around until the end to learn all the tips and tricks to boost your gameplay and achieve high scores. Let's dive in. First things first, understanding the basics. Block Blast is a match 3 puzzle game where you need to align blocks of the same color to clean them from the board. The goal is to clear as many blocks as possible to score points and progress through levels. So the tip number 1 is plan your moves. It is easy to get caught up in the excitement and make quick moves, but planning ahead can make huge difference. Look for potential matches, not just for your current move, but think ahead about how your moves will affect the board. This helps you set up bigger combos and avoid unnecessary block clutter. Now, tip number 2 is focus on creating combos. Combos are key to maximize your score. So try to make matches of 4 or more blocks. These larger matches will create special blocks or power-ups that can help you clear more blocks and score higher. Now, the tip number 3 is use power-ups wisely. Block Blast offers various power-ups like bombs, lightning bolts, and color changes. These can be game changers when used correctly, so save them for the moment when you are stuck or need to clear a large number of blocks quietly. Don't waste them on small, insignificant matches. Now, the tip number 4 is pay attention to the objects. Each level has specific objects you need to complete, such as clearing a certain number of blocks or collecting special items. So make sure that you're focusing on these objects as you play, rather than just making random matches. This will help you to complete levels more efficiently with a higher score. And the tip number 5 is keep an eye on the board's layout. As you progress through the levels, the board will become more complex with obstacles and limited space. Be mindful of these changes and adopt your strategy accordingly. Sometimes you may need to focus on clearing obstacles first before making matches. The tip number 6 is practice makes perfect. Like any game, the more you play Block Blast, the better you will get. Take the time to practice your strategy and learn from your mistakes. Every game is a chance to improve your skills and refine your techniques. And the tip number 7 is stay calm under pressure. It is easy to get flustered when the game's board gets clustered or you're running out of moves. Take a deep breath and stay focused. Sometimes a little bit of patience and a clear mind can help you spot the perfect move you might have missed in the heat of the moment. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.